Down. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, we're back with Rosie. It's raining out, so heel. Good. Good girl. Heel. Down. Alright, so the key with this dog is going to really be to say, don't take your eyes off of me. I mean, the mind is wired a certain way, but if we help her understand, that she needs to not pay attention to these other, we're not correcting her really for having that state of mind, it's more for not paying attention. When my soundbox called on, I did my next set on about turning. Rosie, we have our turn away.
Unless you want to pull up.
Roll. My leash down. Oh, what a good girl. Good girl. You try to take over, there's as many distractions as possible, and you need to do that, but the key is you have to not get distracted. There might be a confrontation in a minute. This man was just telling us this woman almost ran over him. He was writing down her license plate, and she went in the store. So I've already told Ashley if they start getting in a big fight, to pan off of the dog and on to the fight. Good. Good. So start my pager slightly before. I'm not going to move my feet at all. Got my arms here. Got my treats here. Rosie. Cannot come to Polish without seeing this guy down. It's like that gym I used to go to. Good. So I take the leash off, but again, girl, you're not trying to phase the pager out anytime soon. You're phasing it in. It's giving her confidence. The pager is occurring in every environment. Good. Good. I'm going to be ready. If she was to start to growl or something, I would say down and add my nick. Good girl. Good. Wonderful. So the bigger picture of what I'm saying is pay attention to me. Good. 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 Rosie.
Good morning.
Down. Good. Down. It's all raining. Are you ready? Good. Wonderful. Wonderful. So start my pager before I ever go. Rosie! Down. And with her, and again, I know you did a lot of the stay before, but in this environment, we're not going to be, there wouldn't be any practical application for making this dog stay away from me. Down. As far away as you want to go. step in and move away. Good. Wonderful. Good. Good, Rosie. Heel. Down. 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 Rosie. So what I did, Rosie, and she looked away. Good. Heel. Down.
How many rings it covers?
Listen, she looked away. I said down and hit the paper again. Down. Let her partly know that that's the problem. Rosie. Heel. Heel. Down. I don't know what her deal is with this down. Rosie. Heel. Down. Good. Now, big sound.